Welcome back. This will be my part 2 for my air handling unit, how to engineer air handling unit step by step using this ASB-36. As you can see guys, I already wired this one. So I have here some toggle switch. I'm using it to simulate some of the status from motor control. Then this is my bulb. So this is my bulb. This is a modulating bulb, and also this is my fan that will simulate my supply fan, and this is my variable frequency drive driving this AC motor. Okay, so these are the components, and of course this is my live system. Okay, so part 1 is already uploaded in my channel. Then this will be the part 2, showing you first the graphics presentation of the air handling unit and some of the hardware that I'm using for simulating the engineering works involved for this air handling unit. First, you should be having one DDC, direct digital controller, ASB-36. Then you should be having some should be having a valve actuator to simulate the PID control or PI control for temperature. Then we have some toggle switch there. Okay, and actually I have some other equipment here that I'm using for BMS engineering works. Okay, so I'll be posting this. Thank you.